Now today I'm going to be focusing on hypertext markup language. Now I want to take each part gradually. There are other videos that encapsulate this beginning point, clarifying this part, the environment entirely. So we'll be focusing on writing headlines or titles today. So you can check for other videos that explains why you have to write doc type. This first part, doc type, HTML, head, the head, and the link, the title, the content, and all these things you're seeing, what they all mean and why you have to structure them, the environment. There are videos on my channel that also explain that clarified, so check those videos. So but for this video we are going to be focusing on how to write your titles or your paragraphs. Now I want you to take note of this. We have this H1, we also have H2, we have H3. That's not how you write it. I just want to explain. H4, H5, H6. I think H6 is the highest. This is what you use to differentiate between sizes of letters or paragraph. So it determines, and mind you, the smaller the number, the higher the size. Like this is, if you want to write the smallest, the tiniest, you understand, is you use H6. And how do you use it? Let me just experiment. Let me use my name, Dio, and close it, then with a slash here, and H1 again, no, not H2, sorry, to avoid syntax error. Whenever you make mistake in the code, you are doing what they call syntax error. Now if I click run here, which is play, if I click run here, can you see Dio? Can you see this is the largest? Now if I go back to this my programming now and I do the same, okay, let me just select here, copy, and say H, this time around H2. Because one thing about programming is you have to be patient to know each functions, then you now put them all together. Okay, so can you see, if I run it, can you see that the dial below is smaller than the dial above? So that means for you to write the largest text, let's say you want to use it as a title, you make it closer to the top, or okay, at the title here, this title here will reflect on the page. If you click, can you see the one, can you see what I'm touching? That's what will reflect on the page. You understand? When you open it, that's what will reflect on the page. But if you want to write title within, this is what you use. Understand? So let's say, okay, let me use 3 now. And this time it's going to be 3. So if I run it, can you see that? So let's say the dial here, if you want to put a statement as the title within, this is the H1 and H2. You use H1, you use, or you can use H2. You can use H1 for title or subtitle. Let me just change the text. Let's say dial website. Okay, this one will now be dial website, dial okay, we teach programming. That will be the subtitle. Let's just say, then this one, let's say examples of programming, or the body, HTML, CSS, what have we, JavaScript. So if I run it, Can you see that? Okay, so if I continue and I use H6, sorry, H4, copy again, H5, then paste again. Already, you see, as I'm doing this, I'm already creating a website. Understand? Gradually. Can you see that? So we'll be working more of this. My target is that we're going to take each of the functions, each of the syntaxes. There are a lot of them. We have button, we have divide, we have the title itself, we have the HTML itself, we have which other ones? We have H1, H2, then we have the one for paragraphs. Of course, divide also works a little bit for that, but we have the ones for your video. You want to create a video environment, or you want to create a link, you want to create a space for text box, you want to create a button. So gradually, all these things, when you know the syntaxes of each, that is what programmers put together to form a website. They want a picture to reflect. There is a syntax to put a picture in a website. There's a syntax to put a YouTube channel or a video in a website. All those, they are very simple. You will learn that from time to time. Thank you very much once again.